So, welcome to another episode of Grumpy Bought a Bungalow. Well, things have developed a little bit. Let me show you. It's still a mess, but it's even more a mess now. So, any advice would be gratefully received. Let's have a look. So, as you can see, I've taken some of the floorboards up. And the main reason is there's a funny smell. Just a musty smell. And I thought, something's not right. Well, as you can see, the floor, the subfloor is perfectly wet. The air bricks are clear. And then I got to this wall, and this wood, I don't know if you can see, but if I squeeze it, it's wet. But the timber's actually really solid. So when I took up the tiles and everything, this was all tiled, I could see straight away that we've got a bit of a rot problem. So, what to do? Not really sure. I'm not a builder. But first thing is to find out where the wet's coming from that's causing this. Well, through this wall, we've got this bathroom that we don't actually want. Now, I have noticed that there's cracked tiles in here, which again I would think is never a good sign. And if there's a water leak, then the water will run under the tiles. They've probably hardboarded. I'm going to rip this up in a minute and have a look. And then I noticed next to the bath, when I started pushing the bath panel back, I've got some kind of fungus growing, some kind of mushroom. Now, I don't know what they are. I don't know if they're edible. I like mushrooms. But, but I've got mushrooms growing. So all these tiles are going to come up anyway. This bathroom's going to come out. Any advice on what my problem is, how to solve it? Nothing stupid like demolishing and rebuilding. Just some good advice. If you've got any, let me know in the comments. So that's the update this week from Grampy.
Bought a bungalow.
And Grandma bought a bungalow.
Yeah, no.
And I bought this one because I said, oh, there ain't that much to do here. And probably isn't really. I think if I get them tiles up, I might give you an update in a couple of minutes. Just pull some tiles up and have a look what's going on underneath. I hold out lots of hope. And it's wet through under this floor, but let me just show you how they've done it. Unbelievable. I'm no bathroom fitter, I'm no builder, but when you're building a bathroom, do you really lay it on this insulation, it's not insulation, underfloor wood laminate or something you might put this down for? There's no hardboard, there's nothing to support the tiles, this soft crap. Not suitable. Cowboy job by the look of it, in my opinion. As I say, look at all the flexible connections and everything. Why the bath's this way around is beyond me, but there you go. Where the water's coming from, still don't know. But there we go. So the tiles are just basically floating on this stuff. And any water has really got nowhere to go. So, you know, it's kind of how easy a tile will come up. Lovely job. Extremely professional. So it looks like I'm going to have to replace quite a few floorboards maybe. So this is the low spot, I think. So it's not as wet up here. So it's difficult doing this one-handed. Maybe not. Anyway, that's another little job. Any advice, comments? Oh, any help? Be gratefully received. Leave your comments below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what to do. Yeah, put it back in auction, she says. You're probably right. And I think now Looking at the state of it. Ooh. Anyway, maybe this is just a case of a little drip going under the tiles
Yeah, for a long time.
for years, probably since it were built, because this was done in 2009. And the reason we know that is because I found newspapers along with all the old tiles under the floorboards from 2009. So it's only about 14, 15 years old. And this could have been like this for a long time. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you later. Next update. Woohoo!